Alrighty, in this video, guys, you're going to unbox with me the Thyme Table Mini Espresso Machine. Now, this is an espresso machine by Walmart, and I saw it there, and I thought, actually, it looks really, really cool. So I saw it in Florida, and I bought it from eBay as an open box kind of thing. That's why this box looks pretty rough, but I peeked inside, and the rest, I think, is going to be okay. So let's just take a look. You guys can unbox it with me. And before we go further, let me know if the audio is okay in the video. And I'm filming in a different location today. So anyhow, let me also know where you're from, where you're watching from. Let's get started. So here we go. Make sure there's a couple people here first. Hopefully I set it up right. Oh yeah, there's a second person. Okay, it must be public. All right, so let's get started opening this guy up and see what it's all about. First of all, I would say that the box material looks pretty good. Let's see, pull this guy up and out, and let's see what we're working with here. Again, guys, if you don't mind writing into the comment section if the audio is all right, that would be much appreciated. So let's get this thing commissioned today, and I'll use it for a while and then do a review on it. So it's double boxed. You can see this is the inside box, this is the outside box. And it's also got this like corrugated cardboard in there, so boxed really, really well. And I think that the design looks pretty neat, but I really don't know what the quality looks like. Audio is good. Okay, thanks very much, Chrissy. Look at this guy right here. That looks like a turkey baster, but in fact, this is for priming the circuit in case you need to. That is cool. First time I've ever seen that. Yeah, that's nice. It's open box, but I can tell this is brand new. So that's nice. And I say, first glance, that is a pretty handsome machine. I think that actually looks just as good as a Dedica. All right, put that guy off to the side for now. Sweetie Pie, could you please rinse that for me? Careful for the cables. Thank you. Rinse it real good. And we got to remember to take this guy off on the bottom. So rinse that for me, please. I got a little helper today. Oh, well, that is interesting. This guy right here, this is actually a metal portafilter. I was expecting for 128 bucks for this to be a plastic handle, but in fact, it's not plastic, it's metal. Nice touch. The portafilter itself looks to be what you see on most of these machines, like Gebbie, like Casa Brews, like the new DeLonghi EM450. That's what it looks like inside. So you got that mesh metal screen in there, and you got the two outputs. And you see how these tabs are kind of cut off right there? That's how this differentiates from the DeLonghi Dedica. So that's what that guy looks like. I also ordered myself up a bottomless portafilter, so I'll be trying that out as well. Anyhow, it comes with this 2-cup pressurized basket. I'm gonna put that back in there. And it comes with this little package here. Again, guys, feel free to write into the comment section where you're watching from. And if you wouldn't mind, give the video a like. That does help you to push it up. Thank you very much, Cutie Pie. Could you also rinse this guy for me? Thank you. I hope you can, same steam pipe as Gajik Plat. It looks similar. I hope you guys can hear okay. I've actually got the voice mode activated on this microphone because my wife is cooking in the background, and sometimes my kids start singing. So hopefully you can hear all right. So anyway, that's the scoop, just a normal scoop like you always see. Upstate New York. Nice. It sounds like if you call someone. Okay. Let me see if I can just switch the mode once. All right, guys, is that any better on the audio? Let me know. I'll be reading the comments. Thank you, sweetie pie. So I'm going to toss this guy in the brew group. And before I do, let's see. Holy smokers. The brew group is even metal. See if I can show you. The brew group is metal. Wow. I was not expecting that. So far, this has got some nice benefits over the DeLonghi Dedica. Pretty neat. Oh, somebody from UK, from Hungary, from Belgium. Excellent. It's got this stainless steel drip tray cover, and this is what the drip tray looks like itself. Got a little yellow float in there. Fits pretty nicely. Say so far, I'm pretty happy with this guy. Now, what I thought was interesting too is it's got a display here. So I think it might actually count the seconds up as you are pulling a shot. That's pretty neat. Could you hand me that picture, please, sweetie, from the reverse osmosis machine? No, the picture, sweetie pie. From the machine, from the water filter machine. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, boy. All right, so we're gonna fill this up. At the same time, I'm also testing a reverse osmosis water filter machine. So I'll be giving my opinion on that soon enough. It's the first one I've ever seen. Thank you. Before I go further, I should probably show you guys from all sides. Okay, this is what the machine looks like from the side. It's nice and light. From the other side, from the back, there's 2 screws. So I think it should be pretty open, pretty easy to get it open and have a look inside. And this is the bottom. So, all right, a view from all sides. And before I put the water on, I'll give you a closer look there at that is the steam wand tip, I think. Is that a 1 hole? Is that 1 or 3? 1 hole, thank you, okay. And what about this? Do you think this is metal or is it plastic? What would be your guess? Because it looks like plastic, doesn't it? I think it's metal. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is metal. Feels like metal. It's cool to the touch. So, my goodness. A metal lever here on the side. Metal brew group. Metal portafilter. It's a pretty neat machine. So next, let's start this guy up. All right, here we go. How do I start it? I guess I'm just going to press this end button. Okay, it tells me 0, whatever that means. But the display looks nice. How the display is wrapped around there. And you got, looks like a 1 cup button, 2 cup button. And then this button here, I think it's actually showing the thing warming up. I think it's flashing as like an illumination. Gilbatron, okay. And this shows some status for steam. So I'm just going to try to purge the circuit here a little bit. So ordinarily what you do, could you hand me that silver milk pitcher, please? Thank you. Normally what you do is just press this lever here on the side, and that should get the water flowing. Let's see. Does it go further? No. Oh, here we go, hot water. See, the water is starting to come out, but it needs to get the air out of the circuit first. So it is taking a little bit. Oh, now it's not coming. Okay, well, anyway, you see, this is a timer here. I'm just going to stop that. I like that they include a timer. That is really, really neat. I'm going to see if I can get it to come out of the brew group at all. Oh, there it comes. Okay. Not bad. It's got a pre-infusion like most do. And good water distribution too. Pretty darn nice. Heck yeah. So far, so good. We got that circuit primed. Let's try the water again. All right, there it comes. The machine does smell just a little bit like plastic, I will be honest. I think as it's getting heated up for the first time and having just been unpacked now, it's going to emit a little bit of that, but I expect that to go away in a day or two. What is the portafilter size? They say it's 52, but I would bet $1,000 it's 51 millimeters, and that they just say 52 to sound cooler. But anyhow, could you hand me the other portafilter there, please, sweetie pie? I'll see if the basket from the Dedica fits in here. I'm betting it's gonna. Yep, that one. You can just bang it out into. See that silver container? Bang it out in there. Thank you. Okay, so this is a DeLonghi Dedica one. And if I remove that guy, let's see. Yeah, it's the same. So, oops, it is 51. 51 millimeters is what we're working with. They call it 52. But yeah, anyway, can I fit this conventional one in there? I can more or less, but this black plastic thing is kind of in the way. So I'm just going to test it today using the pressurized filter basket. Could you also empty this for me, please? Thank you. All right, so anyhow, while the machine is warmed up, I'd say let's just go ahead and see what it looks like making a shot. So I got this right here. This is from Milwaukee, Anodyne. This is the Mind Tonic Espresso, and that's what we're gonna do. So, is it ready? Okay. Thank you. Now, one tip I like to do is you can just fill up the basket with coffee beans, and basically when you do that and then you grind it, that's a good amount to put in. So let's just do that. My wifey told me that it is just about time to eat, so I got to hurry up here. I'm using a K4. I don't think this is sold anymore, but I'm at 60. I'm going to open it up to 70 there, and that should be opened up enough for a pressurized basket, I'm thinking. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, guys, if you rewatch this later, let me know where you're from and give the video a like and push it out a little bit more. So, helicopter, yeah, my boys like that one too. Helicopter, helicopter. It's a good song, isn't it? A good meme. Anyway. All right, we're just about ready here. So I'm using the MHW3 Bomber scale. It's pretty sweet. Works really well. Good price too on this guy. It auto tears, auto turns on. That's all really, really nice. It would be nice if these guys would come with funnels. In fact, could you get me the funnel on top of that machine? I got one for Dedica. I think it will fit here. Thank you. All right, so I got this funnel on there, and I'm just going to kind of distribute it a little bit. And let's see, I fit 14.9, 15 grams in there, so that's pretty good. Just going to give that a light tamp, since this is a pressurized basket, and put that right in there. And let's see what we get out. I heard you, Jelly Beans. I can't really stop it right now. All right, let's see what we're working with here. So I'm just going to press the 2-cup button and see what happens. All right, you can see it's got a 3-second pre-infusion, then a pause. I really like the fact that it's got a timer, and it looks slick. It looks quite clean. I'm going to stop it right there. It does keep running at this price. They can't include a solenoid. The solenoid itself costs like $40. Wisconsin, nice. Port Edwards, that's cool. Can you make ice drinks with this one? I don't know if you can set it for low temperature or not, but that's what it looks like right there. That's a pressurized shot, but with good coffee. It's actually pretty decent. What I always say is that with this kind of pressurized extraction, that the depth of flavor is not quite there, but all things considered, it's pretty decent. But what I want to do is test out this machine over the next bit of time, pressurized, non-pressurized, try out the steamer, see how all that works. I'm guessing the steamer is going to work pretty good because it's basically like a DeLonghi Dedica EC885. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right there. Post any questions that you got into the comments, and I'll answer them in the meantime. Nice. I think I might just try the steam real quick. See how that works out. Might as well do that. And then I'm done. Yeah, so basically, guys, give me 2 more minutes and then the video is going to be over. This is vitamin D milk or full-fat milk from Sendix. That is a local grocery store. It's really good milk. I always get the best results with whole milk, fresh milk. Yeah. So, let's see once. Let's go this way to purge. Pour my espresso in the cup. Oh, you know what? I probably got to turn on the steam mode first. There we go. Got to press that button right there. Give it a few seconds to warm up. Making a little bit of a mess here. Takes a while. It's still kind of breathing. This LED, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's $128. Okay, now the steam is starting to come. Thank you. Here, I'll take that. That seems pretty weak. I'm going to double check that the steam mode is on. Turn it off. I can hear something click inside. There should be a relay clicking inside yeah, to get the steam going. But so far, the steam's not cooperating the best. I think I'm going to have to play with that a little bit. Is it better than the Gaja Evolution? I would say everything is better than that one. That is my least favorite machine so far. Anyway, this MHW3 Bomber, by the way, I'll put a link for that guy in the video. This is probably the coolest scale for like 35, 40 bucks, somewhere around there, plus or minus. It's got smart mode on it. It's got a timer. I'd say it's good size. I'm gonna try now. Oh, here we go. Now it's going to town. Okay. Really cool that it's got that timer on there. I don't know how well you can see that. But I like that very much. Yeah, no third-party upgrades for the Gaggia. It's a very cheaply built machine. It's nice that it's made in Italy, but otherwise don't really care for it. So it's already getting pretty hot. I think I'm gonna stop it right about there. And how much did I add? 16. So that's also good. For a thermoblock machine, I oftentimes add like 25. So adding just 16 to the milk, that's actually quite good. Considering I did it from the back, milk relatively smooth, pretty decent. And that's what the design looks like right there. Not bad for just getting the machine commissioned. Jelly Beans, you want to give it a shot and see how it is? Mm-hmm. All right. I'm going to give it to Wifey. Let's see what she thinks.
It's tasty, but a little on the watery side.
Really? Okay. Mm-hmm. Well, it's made with a pressurized basket. Okay. So.
But a good one.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching the video. Again, please give it a like. Write me where you're watching from. And I got to go. It's time to eat. Till next time, happy coffee drinking. Happy cappuccino drinking. Bye now. End stream.
Willst du noch einen halben haben?